Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to use Wix for small businesses. First is open your web browser and then log in into your Wix account. From here, go on to the sites and click this create new site. Now, since this is a small business, I highly recommend to go on Studio Editor and choose one of the templates that they have. And then when you click here onto the template, it will turn into this page. What you can do is to search for business and you'll find here different kind of templates, ideas that they have when it comes onto the business. From here, what you need to do is to choose one of these and click the edit and wait for the Wix Studio to load the specific website that you choose. And now after it loads, you can now simply modify this specific template website that you have chosen by changing the photos and also the text from here. And then when you're done, just simply publish and add your specific website domain, and then you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.